guys, we're back on my channel. You're asking, how did I do this? And I will tell you how. So I'm just gonna reset my character. And yeah, that's what you do when you want to get out. You just reset your character. Or yeah, just bring a breath. But this is better as I think it can be. So you have to try really more times if you want to get likes. See, it's like see. Okay. Ugh, no. Yes, I think you saw that, but like, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, now it takes. Or if you want to do it a different way, I can show you later, but not this one. I want to use this one now because it's cooler. And yeah. Oh, voila! I'm gonna show you the next one. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the next one now. The next one is easy. So I just need a dime. You just get a blanket. Get it to there. I know if you know this, but you do this and you get up. That's the way to do it. Well, yeah. Yeah. I'm just showing you glitches. I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry if it took long, but yeah. Yeah. It's okay because I'm gonna do a part 2 about glitches. So let's teleport our Earth. I don't know if you know this place, but it's a cool place. The only one that knows. Okay. Okay. But not right now. I'm gonna say I just really need to spin this. Come on, I hope I get something good. Oh my god, no. Oh. Neon. It says neon. Ew. Oh, now we have it. Okay. She's my. Hi. I'm gonna say hi to my fans, so don't worry. Hi. Hey. Say hi to the video. I made video, girl. Say hi to the video. You look. I don't understand what you're saying. Hi. Look, hi. That's me. That was kind of mean, but sure, if you wanna say hi to other people, it's okay. So I'm just gonna I don't know. No, let's play. But I'm a friend. Really? Aren't you? Really? Oh. Yes. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I will show one day my face. Okay. When I'm cause I'm that was weird. She was my fan. She's so nice. I just met one of my fans. Wendy, I never met one of my fans before. Wendy, no, literally, I never met one of my fans before. I can't believe I just met. Blue, let me see this. Yeah, she's my fan. Aren't you happy? Just okay, guys. So I just saw one of my fans. That was really nice. Okay. Well, I don't know, but she left this the game. So better say stupid, but no, it's not stupid game. I'm really sad because she left the game. Guys, oh, she was my fan. Oh, yeah. Oh, she has the whole set. Oh, sorry. Get back up. Oh, yeah. Okay. Can I see what you got? Okay, nice. No, sorry. Oh, you have the dear dolly. He was like me. You have the whole set. Do you have? Yes, she has the whole set. Welp. Yep, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Guys, if we didn't like it, I'm sorry, but like, I was talking to my fans, sorry. And whatever you need, say hi to me, and I'll say, are you my friend? And I'm saying, and then you may say yes. Yeah. I don't know, but like, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, wait. I always end the video with something. Bye! And please like this video. And if I said stupid, I'm sorry. But I didn't mean stupid, I mean the game. So yeah. Your favorite I don't know. But like, I love you guys. Bye! What the hell? Is she trying to say hi to me? What the hell? I don't understand. Oh god. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Oopsie. Sorry guys. Well, bye!